towns in the Klein Karoo with a rich historical heritage dating back to the early 1900s, where Ostriches was established as the town's main economic growth. Indeed, Oudtshoorn adds a rich value to South Africa, and with a population of over 90,000 people and about 23,000 households, it is of vital importance that service delivery is at the core of Oudtshoorn Municipality. With the current demand for more water and households growing, it's up to the municipality to provide the necessary services. With almost 100% of these households having access to basic water and sanitation, it is essential that the water system is fully operational. Also, bearing in mind the current climate change where drought in the Western Cape has become the new normal, one can only expect more pressure within every department. The current acting director of technical services, Chris Swart, was at the heart of a recent pipe burst. The pipe is the main supply line from Chris Rubenheimer Dam intake tower. This is where one of the pipes burst, a 300mm asbestos cement pipe that is encased in concrete that runs from the intake tower to the clarification station under the dam. This is where water goes through a purification process, ensuring that water meets the stringent standards set for drinkable water. Chris suspects the pipe burst was caused by a water hammer, which occurs when water flowing through the pipes is suddenly forced to stop or change direction, and a shock wave can damage pipes and fittings. In this case, when the pipe burst, it broke the concrete encasing that was around it, and water spilling occurred within the tunnel. Water supply had to be closed from the dam after the burst, and Oudtshoorn was supplied with water from the Melville Dam. The length of time taken to repair damages can vary from 3 hours even up to weeks. But it took Chris and his team of about 6 workers approximately 3 weeks to complete the project. Firstly, the concrete and pipe had to be broken away, and it was replaced with a new blue PVC pipe designed for municipal applications, and then encased again with a steel reinforced concrete to protect the pipe. The Melville Dam and the Chris Rubenheimer Dam, which are operated by the Oudtshoorn Municipality, provides water, nourishment and healing to every business hub around Oudtshoorn, not just for individuals but to our local residents, the ostrich and other animals. With its ecologically greenery, it's a necessity that the water system operates to its fullest capacity, and it's a high priority to the Oudtshoorn Municipality if any faults are reported. A high level of response is required with specialized skills and equipment, where it usually becomes a collaborative approach between the municipality and all the necessary departments so that every complaint and fault can be expediently dealt with. The Department of Technical Services thanks the community of Oudtshoorn for their patience. Please feel free to contact us or visit any of our offices.